Greetings from Engramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Now that you know who we are, let's focus on today's topic. In today's video, I will show you how to easily add a video to your WordPress post or page, whether it's from YouTube, Vimeo, or your own uploaded file. It's quick, beginner friendly, and you don't need any extra plugin. So without any further ado, let's get started. To get started, first go to your WordPress dashboard, open the post or page where you would like to add the video. From the sidebar, go to post, all post, and then find your post and click edit. If you want to add a video to your page, instead you can go to pages, all pages, and do the same thing. Once you are in the block editor, click the area where you want the video to appear and press enter. Now we will click on enter to start a new block, and then we'll click on this plus icon and search for video. You will see several options in here like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and more. For example, let's choose YouTube. Now, paste your YouTube video URL into the field and click embed. We'll go to YouTube and copy this URL and paste it in here. And we will click on embed. WordPress will automatically pull the video and display it right inside your post. You can easily resize or move the block to adjust the layout. For example, if we would like to make this video move up, we can do that as well. Here is the faster way. You don't even need to add a block. Simply paste your video link directly into the post. For example, a YouTube or Vimeo URL and hit enter. To show you that, let's add the video in here. We'll simply just paste the URL and WordPress automatically converts it into an embedded video. Simple as that. If you'd rather upload your own video instead of embedding one, you can do that too. To do that, let's add another video. After this text, we'll click on this plus icon, search for video, we'll add this block, and by clicking this upload button, choose the video from your computer. Let's choose that video first. Once it's uploaded, it will appear in your post using WordPress built-in video player. And in the settings section, we will get autoplay, loop, muted, playback control, and play inline. Before that, let me save this one and see the post. So this is the video that we have used YouTube embed, and this is the video that we have used by pasting the URL, and this is the video that we have uploaded. And in here, we will get the controls. For example, if we click autoplay and hit save, and reload this post, we will see the video will be played automatically. If you want to keep your site loading fast, I recommend embedding videos from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo instead of uploading large file directly to your site. It helps reduce bandwidth uses and keep your page running smoothly. And that's it. This is how easy it is to add videos to your post or page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. If you have any suggestions, questions, or plugin suggestions, drop them in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.